In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off UI navigation in Roblox and fix getting stuck. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. If you're running around in Roblox and all of a sudden you stop and it says UI navigation enabled, the only thing that using your typical movement buttons will do is just toggle this white frame around buttons. Now to fix this, what you're going to do is click on the Roblox button, click on Settings and Help, and then as you can see in this miscellaneous, there's a UI selection toggle. Now it'll say which key that this function is bound to, so for mine it's backslash, and after that you are going to resume and then just click that button that it's bound to, and everything will be fixed. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.